Alright, what's going on, guys? TTorres back here for another video. So in today's video we're going to be removing the YSS rear shock. I have a video on my channel on already showing you all how to remove it. I've already got it loose. Wiggle this thing out. Alright, so as you can see here is the YSS shock. And one of my lucky followers, I'm going to be sending this out to you guys. All you got to do is make sure you like this video, comment down below YSS, make sure you're subscribed, and you follow my Instagram. I'll have all the links down in the description to all my social media. One of you guys is going to get this for free, send out to you. Can't guarantee it'll arrive before Christmas, but yeah, one of you guys is going to get this for free. Let's go look at the new one that we're throwing on the bike. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, it is 75 degrees. 7:30 at night, and I am sweating in the garage getting this suspension off. All right, so here is the new suspension that I've got. I got the new Hyperpro set. Big shout out to EPM Performance for sending this out. Now this has already been tested on the bench, and it's set up for a 200-pound rider. So big shout out to them for sending that out. And then also have the I have my front forks that I'm going to be doing as well. Comes with the oil actual rebuild kit for the springs are in here, and then little instruction pamphlet along with some Hyperpro goodies and some tools. So I'm super excited to throw the rear shock on, since it is actually compressed and made. It was built for me, I would say weight wise, up to a 200-pound rider. So this should be a huge difference over the YSS one. And then, like I said, if anybody who's watching this video can send me a DM or comment on this video, how hard is it to rebuild the front forks? You know, I got the springs and the oil, so I don't imagine it'd be too terribly hard. I think this is the cap, and there's a big 14mm Allen key. We got to get to that. Not really sure on that, but I've been talking to a buddy, good buddy of mine, Zach. We're gonna vinyl wrap the GROM. We're going to powder coat the wheels. But yeah, I'm super excited to get the Hyperpro Shock on. And I'm super excited because I know a lot of people follow the channel that are GROM riders, and you know, they follow me on Instagram. So I'm happy that I'm going to be giving this away for free. It's only got about maybe 200 miles on it. We just hit 1,000 miles on the GROM. Another update, we have a high compression piston coming from DHM. So that's going to be exciting, and I think we're going to do something. I want to get a Yosh exhaust or maybe the Zoom Brute. Comment down below what exhaust I should run, and yeah, good luck to everybody that enters into the contest. And yeah, if you win, I'll have a video up next week, and I'll announce the winner in that video, and then just shoot me a DM and I'll send this out to you as soon as possible. Then of course, if you want to put it on your bike, you can. If you want to sell it, you can sell it. And if you install it, I have an install guide to showing you guys how to install it. So it'll be super simple. Good luck to everybody who enters. All right, let's get this bad boy in here. Super simple install. I don't know why I put this off for so long, but I don't know. It's just more me being lazy. And I'm not gonna lie, that YSS, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that company. I absolutely love the way the bike felt with that, but I'm super excited to put this, I guess you could say, a little bit more high quality of a suspension on the bike. Yeah, bring the rear tire up a little bit. Boom, just like that, it's in. And yeah, so let me go ahead and mount everything up. Button everything up. I'm gonna take the bike for a spin. We'll see how she rides. Give that thing a good couple ugga duggas and she'll be good to go. There's a good couple ugga duggas. Let's go on to the bottom one. Alright, on to the bottom one. Once you do this the first time, this becomes super simple to do. I was thinking this was going to take all night, but no, I forgot this is very simple. Get this good and snug. I don't know the torque specs. You have to look it up. I apologize. I'm just gonna go with what I feel is good enough. Okay, so let's go ahead and reassemble the bike. Take it off this little makeshift jack stand that I made, and yeah, let's go take the bike for a burn. I'm super excited to see how it feels. All right, got the bike all put back together. Probably took me 20 minutes tops to remove the old one and put in the new one, the Hyperpro. Let's go ahead and start the bike up. Y'all listen to the way this cam sounds on a cold start. Sounds good. Listen to her purr. I'm gonna let her warm up and then we're gonna take it for a ride. I just sat on the bike for the first time and I can definitely tell it is a lot stiffer than the YSS. And I think I'm gonna like that a lot more. So let's go ahead and take the bike out. All right, just got back from the little cruise. I don't know, I may have rode in like 10 minutes. I'm gonna tell you right off the bat, like I mentioned, the suspension is a lot stiffer. It feels good, feels solid. Don't get me wrong, the YSS is still a great rear shock for the Honda GROM. But yeah, I'm excited to see what this thing's gonna turn out to be once we get it vinyl wrapped. Get the high compression piston, the forks done, upgraded brakes. And yeah, if you want a chance to win this, I'm gonna send it out to somebody, you know, whether you're a GROM rider or not, you can sell it, do whatever you want to it. It's only got 200 miles on it. Just like I said, make sure you make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave this video a like, comment down below YSS, and make sure you are following the Instagram. We just hit 10,000 followers. Thank you all so much. I'll catch y'all in the next video. It is time to go watch the Paul versus Woodley fight. Peace.